Hey, what's up, guys? So right now we're on our way to Guarantee Chevrolet in Santa Ana. One of my good friends is gonna go look at a 2018 Camaro SS. I've been on the phone with dealerships for the past hour trying to strike a deal. So we got a little over 20% off already. We're gonna go see if we can get a slightly better deal. If not, we're just gonna pick it up. It's 2018 black Camaro SS, and it's gonna be the new project for this channel because I'm gonna be doing most of the work on it, and he doesn't like being on social media at all. So, yeah, let's go check it out and see what happens. Well, guys, here we are at Warranty Chevrolet. And there's a car we're looking at. Are you excited, bro?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get the deal we want. Look at that thing. All right, cool. All right, guys, so we ended up not getting the car. On the out-the-door pricing, we only accounted for tax. We forgot about registration. It was a little higher than we thought. They have some like BS, like paint protection on the car they want $500 for. So they're $500 above what we want to pay for the car out the door price. So we're gonna go home. I guarantee you these guys are gonna call us tomorrow. So yeah, we'll continue it in the next shot. And yeah, guys, see you in like 2 seconds. Well, guys, here's the next day, and we actually ended up picking up the car. As I called it, the dealership called us back. Said it'd go down $500. It's ridiculous, kind of, because they totally could have just given us this deal yesterday and we would have been done with it. But here it is. A new project. Black on black. Looks decent for being stock. Definitely needs some work. I mean, it's like cool for a normal person, but for me and my friends, this is like not acceptable at all. So, immediate mods will be tint, coilovers, and then probably vinyl, and then we'll just go from there. And yeah, this will be a car I don't own, but that will be covered on the channel. Kind of weird, I know, but hey, more content for you guys. By the way, I love Mustangs. I had the GT500, and I would never choose a new Mustang over this, like ever. They're ugly. Like, this car's so much better looking. Ford messed up with the new gen. If you buy a Mustang GT over this, you're dumb. And on that note, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon with probably window tint.